Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am at the launch of Coolpad, where Coolpad has launched its new smartphone Cool 3 Plus. So super affordable range phone with decent specs. Let's check this out. So these are the two colors which have been launched. This is a cherry black and this one is the ocean blue. Cherry black looks quite premium, although because I like the color. So in this video we'll see a quick look of the Cool 3 Plus. So friends, this is the all new Cool 3 Plus in front of you from Coolpad. After a long time, Coolpad has again come in the smartphone market with affordable range phone. So the phone, according to the price, it is quite nice and a simple smartphone for the people who want to switch from the normal bigger phones. The people who are new to smartphones would prefer buying this kind of a phone. And if we talk about the screen, it is a 5.71 HD plus dewdrops display. So it's a U-shaped dewdrop display. Bezels are quite normal, not very slim. Then at the back you have a single camera setup with the fingerprint sensor. Also it has face unlock, so a budget category phone with a face unlock, that's a good thing. So talking about the screen, the colors are bright and sharp, although it's a HD plus screen. Touch response is okay, not very snappy and fast. Viewing angle is also quite fine. Then coming to the settings, and let's talk about the other things. So it has Android 9 Pie and a processor of MediaTek Helio A22. This particular variant which I'm reviewing is a 3GB plus 32GB variant. Battery is a normal 3000 mAh of battery. It has a 13 megapixel of rear camera with LED flash with normal options like photo, beauty, bokeh, video. Front camera is a 8 megapixel sensor, and again you also have a portrait option in the front. But as I told you, it is a normal budget range phone. We don't expect too high-end pictures from it. So these are some shots from the back camera. Then this is a selfie, pretty decent as per 8 megapixel is concerned. So overall the phone looks promising according to the price range, but as we are used to nowadays with dual cameras and triple camera setups and everything, so fighting in such a market with a single camera setup is really difficult. Cool 3 Plus has been launched at a price range of 5,999, 2 plus 16GB variant, and the 3 plus 32GB variant is 6,499. Will be on sale from 2nd of July. So that's it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite from another tech launch. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wire. Thank you and bye.